Hi, it's Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast. As I approach my two-year anniversary of having my Cybertruck, we're gonna go over the HEPA replacement filter for your Cybertruck. Now, unlike my wife's Model 3, the filter was about this small, real tiny, and you have to kind of crawl on your back in the passenger seat and be convoluted, and big guys like me have a hard time with getting in there and doing it. So it's more of a, let's get the service tech to do it because I can't fit in there. This is a lot easier because the HEPA filter in the Cybertruck is big, Cybertruck big, okay? Now, the reason why this is so much bigger than my wife's Model 3 is because this is a HEPA filter. This will filter out a lot more particulates, I mean just a ton more particulates. Now I am let's see, June 20th, we're here mid-April, so we're less than 60 days away from the 2-year anniversary, so we're replacing it a little early. Mark, why are you replacing a little bit earlier? Good question. Well, here we are in the spring here in Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach, and we had a ton of pollen, as we did last year, but we had a ton of pollen this year, okay? And as a result, I mean, my truck was coated green. So I know this filter probably looks horrible. This is something you should do every 2 years, but you should also do as necessary. You should always inspect it every once in a while. Now, as you know, in my frunk, I've got a couple toys here. I've got my big boy toy, which that's the whole reason to have a molly rack, is a redneck gun rack for your Cybertruck, obviously, okay? And we did an episode on these. I love these. I totally forgot the name. I'll put it down below because I love these things. But my next favorite thing I have, believe it or not, it's going to sound dorky, because I'm going to Costco right after filming this. My Costco bags, my Costco cooler bags. Love these things. This is just my wine bag. My wife put in there. But this is my other favorite thing. This net. People, they put basketballs in here so they don't roll around. I like when you go to Costco to put bottles of wine underneath here, so this way they won't roll around. Really good thing. So, all right, let's get down to business. We're not drinking wine, we're replacing HEPA filters. Now, you only need one tool. It's either a flat screwdriver or what's we call a removal tool, plastic removal tool. If you have any third-party aftermarket things that you purchased for your Cybertruck, you've got one of the things. Hopefully you've kept one of these things, okay? Now, I have not done this yet. We're flying by the seat of our pants live on Cybertruck TV. So from what I understand, this is supposed to just pop off over here. So we'll see how easy it is to pop off. Let's start at the edge. Right, there we go. Look at that. First time going, look at that, boom. And as you can see, look at that particulate, that's pollen, okay? I'm betting this thing looks kind of nasty. So I'm gonna put this to the side out of the way. And right here is your HEPA filter. Now, you'll see there's tabs here. Let's see, so I'm guessing you pull down on the tabs and this pulls right off. And look how, look folks, I'm not shitting you here. Look how green that is. Now, I would probably, if you have an air compressor, definitely blow the heck out of all that. I'm gonna pull this out. Look at the tabs are even green. Look at the plastic tabs are even green. This is gonna be nasty. Believe it or not, it looks kind of white on top, but on the bottom, it's pretty, I mean, look at that. That's just dark. That's just ugly. So, time to replace it. Now, you always wanna make sure it says upward, right? This side upward. So you've got your tabs flowing in that position. So you go right to your app on your Tesla phone and you put an order in right from your phone. They ship it to you. You get it in just a couple days. And Viola, it shows up right there at your house. I'm going to hold this so it doesn't go flying away. All right. So again, this side upward. Okay. This is for all the Italians out there besides me. Right. Or the Polacks, right? I'm Polish and Italian, so I got double whammy on that one. All right, goes right back in like that. And in case you want to see a difference, let's do a side by side. You can see one's visibly darker than the other. I mean, guys, you don't have to be. Look, I'm kind of colorblind, like I can't match clothes, but look at this, okay? That is just majorly different. And two, look at this. Look at the gray, the dark gray versus the light gray. big difference in just under 2 years, but that's the pollen down here. It's just totally horrific. Now, one thing I failed to mention, and I'm going to say this now, and I have pictures right here below. You want to turn off your climate control before you start this, okay? Turn off the auto, right? And turn off that the total climate control feature so there's no air flowing while you do this, okay? Apologize I didn't mention that first. I was just too excited to show you guys how nasty this was going to be. All right, so you just push it in like that. It's in there pretty snug. That's perfect. You make sure there's clips down below. Just gonna pop it out one more time and show you guys. Let's see. There we go. All right. So you got to make sure you get all 4 of these bottom pieces, actually a 5th one in the middle, in there first on the bottom, and make sure this is in all the way. You push that in the bottom, and then these should kind of pop right in, and you see it's in there snug. Now you might want to double check that, but this is in there. Now you get your cover. You'll see you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things that pop in there. So make sure, and I would start from the bottom, go to the top, and go from maybe inside out. I mean, that's pretty darn easy. Now you just gotta, this is interesting. I just noticed this in here, and this Tesla gives you this extractor key. I guess that's to kind of pop this off. I don't know. You don't need this. You got your handy dandy plastic thing. Now, get this nasty, nasty filter. Just nasty. Put that to the side, and before you finish, because you're on your way to Costco, you put your Costco cooler bags back. Close your frunk, and then you got a video to post on Mark of the Cyberbeast. That's it, guys. That is your HEPA filter replacement for this week, and we've got the spring update coming out. Tesla's got a couple new features. You can change the animal. On your doggy mode, if you have a cat or some other animal, you can change the caricature that's on there. Also has Grok verbal commands. You can say, "Hey Grok," and ask Grok a question. So, some really cool stuff coming up. Again, I'm still on 14.2.2.5 as we're taping this. As I had mentioned, and I was pretty darn correct with my guess, that 14.3 was only released to a small couple people. It is not out in the Cybertruck world yet, and my bet is it won't get released until it's 14.3.1 because they've got some things they want to massage. So that's my episode for today. Folks, as I'm going to ask you every single time, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to see you folks next time. We got some new parts from EV Base to check out, so hang in there and I'll see you next time.